Hello, my name is Ronnie Lundberg and welcome to my YouTube channel. Another part for my 900 GS build. This is from Touratech. It's the rear view mirror adventure folding. Alright, this folding mirrors I have had on all of my adventure BMW bikes. This is one of the best part. When you ride, this sticks out. And oh no, we are going in some fun stuff, maybe into the wood or some narrow trails. Easy, just pull it in like this and they are gone and the bike are narrow. Oh, now I'm out in the open road again. Ta-da! This is a very great piece of art. I really recommend this from Touratech. Very nice stuff. All right.